going crazy. We going into it. Spot you from above, ATL